I'm Karen for ExpertVillage. We've sewed our dog all the way around, and now I'm going to show you how to stuff our dog. Let's make sure we've removed all the pins from the dog. Make sure there's none in the ears. There's no pins. Here's the opening that we left, and we'll start by taking just a small clump of the polyfiberfill and push that in with your finger. And we're going to first stuff the head, start with the nose and then fill the head. Then we're going to stuff the tail and then the legs in that order. And then we'll stuff the body last. Now you can push the stuffing in there quite tight if you want it a nice firm doggy. Or if you want a softer dog, you don't have to stuff it in quite so tight. You do it to how you like it. But stuff the head first, leaving the body empty. Put all the stuffing that we're sticking in here, I'm pushing into the head first. Now I'm going to push into the tail. Now if you need to, you can use a scissor or something small if you want to get that stuffing all the way to the tip of the tail. A pencil with an eraser works well, and if the end is an eraser, that it has a little bit of grip that will help push the stuffing. Or the scissor works also. You have to be careful with the scissor that you don't poke right through the fabric. And that tail you can see is nice and fat, and I've stuffed it pretty solid. Let's take a little more. We'll stuff the feet. So you put it in through the hole. You're just taking small bits. It's a lot easier to work with just small clumps of stuffing. Now you can see I have the stuffing is going into the leg section. Okay, there's one leg. And then here's another small clump of stuffing. You just work it into the hole, just stuff it in there, and then move it around with your finger and your thumb. Push it all the way to the end. You can see how it's getting stuffed. And leave the belly and bottom, leave that all empty. This whole area is empty. We're just doing the head, the tail, and the feet first. Take another clump for the other feet. Stuff it in there like this. And then choose one leg to work on at a time. Push it in there pretty firm. And you can see it stretches the fabric a little. That's fine. And one more leg. Let's take a clump we're using about a handful there. Just a light handful. And when it compresses, it goes pretty small. So it'll compress to about there. Some of it ends up in the body section, but most of it gets pushed into the leg. There. That right into the leg section.